Hello and welcome to another SureWerx information video. My name is Tim Accursey and I've worked in the fall protection industry for 25 years. I've seen it evolve over the years, but still continue to see people using product incorrectly when working at heights. Today, I have an information video for you talking about the ABCs of fall protection. The ABCs of fall protection are simply the ABCs used in putting together a system when working at heights. The A is your Anchorage connector. My Anchorage connector is what gets connected to my structure or building. This style would simply get wrapped around a beam. This becomes my connection point for my connector. We also have a variety of other styles of Anchorage connectors. This one is simply a bolt-on Anchorage connector. I drill in the beam, I bolt it on, becomes my Anchorage connector point. Within the residential industry, I have a roof anchor. This gets screwed onto the pitch of a roof. This becomes my connection point for my vertical lifeline. Okay, simple. A for Anchorage connector. My B is for my body support, which is my harness. My harness comes in a variety of different styles, but it's important to note that every fall protection harness will have a dorsal D-ring. That dorsal D-ring is used as the connection point when used in fall arrest. There will be harnesses out there that have D-rings in multiple locations, chest, hips, shoulders, but it's important to note that the dorsal D-ring is the only one used in fall arrest. Okay? Now that leads to the C portion. I have an Anchorage connector, I have a body support, which is my harness. I need something to connect from my dorsal D-ring to my Anchorage connector. That is my C for connectors. Again, there are a variety of styles. We have a shock pack style, which this is. I have a POY or partially oriented yarn style, which this is. I also have an SRL, which gets connected to the Anchorage connector, and the snap hook gets connected to my dorsal D-ring. We also have what we call 100% tie-off shock absorbing lanyard. So it has two legs to it. We use that when we're transitioning at heights, so we're tied off 100% of the time. It is important to note that every piece that we've talked about here has a label. It will have a capacity rating. As a user, you need to understand where you stand from a weight perspective with your tools and ensure that you fall in the range that is noted on the label. That is critical. In summary, when talking about a fall arrest system, we talk about the ABCs. A for Anchorage connector, B for body support, and C for connector. Have a safe and productive day.